Hey there, it's urtechduck, and today you're going to learn how to create a new business or organization on Whop. Once you log into Whop, click on the dashboard icon on the left sidebar, then look for the button that says New Whop at the top right and click it. Now select Create New Dashboard, then Continue. Now put the name of your business. It could be your product name or brand, then click Continue. Now choose your Whop link, put your brand or business link and click Continue. For me, I suggest to put a professional appealing link. Then click on Continue and wait some time. Congrats! Your business page is now ready and you can publish Whops and start selling. You can also check our other Whop videos if you want to know how to publish content and set up payments and enhance your store design. Don't forget to like and subscribe to urtechduck for more fast tutorials.